Bina, what are you doing to your
Pero may
baby?
exam. May mga exam.
Parang ano na yun. Then if you don't pass, you can be manicurista. Pedicure. Yeah. Another year. Pero wala naman exam.
Dati noon si Isa.
Where's the cookie?
And Sat. Napalitan na rin, ha?
Wala na ata.
You do the American
Yeah, American.
Then, but you didn't pass that. If you pass, you can be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
Depende how much ang iyong...
The baby needs to eat the cookie.
Hala ka, nag-cookie talaga siya ate. Saan galing yan, te? Kasama
Ano
yan? Nasunog?
Oh, baby needs to eat the
Baby, don't
cookie.
eat cookie. The baby will die. You have to give baby milk.
Milk! Here! Come! Give Tita Mel!
Bye-bye.
It's like you. Borrow Tita Mel! Like milk!
Nia.
Like mommy!
Nia, drink milk. Get milk from
Oh,
mommy.
ang lips na doon.
Okay, give it to Tita Vida. Tita Vida will give you
Meron
milk.
pa galing.
Here, you drink milk.
Meron pa clip si ano doon na iiwan sa amin.
Kitchen under construction.
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Magawa ng
Construction, 1,
kitchen
2,
ni
3, 4.
Princess?
Uy, si Madam doon.